Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please. What is homework?
Home topics, Newton's laws.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Who is volunteer?
Me, please.
Okay.
Newton's first law. Newton's first law, this is, if the object not affected any force, the object maintains its state or of rest or maintains balanced motion.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Answer that, please.
This law is called Newton's first law. Table 1 mass a measure of the inertia of matter. The greater the mass, the more difficult it is to change the initial position in the body.
Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Who is volunteer about second law? Please, Diana.
A second law of mechanics, that the sum of forces action on a point is equal.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Next. Continue, please. Next question about third law. Please.
The third law of Newton. Newton's third law states that when two bodies interact, they appear focused to one another, that are agreeing in a magnitude and opposite direction. The third law is also known as the of action and reaction.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Activity on page 57. Answer the question. What is Earth first? Please.
Friction.
Thank you. Read, please, Ayajan.
Newton's first law stated that an object in motion will stay in inertia.
Thank you. Sit down. Answer that. Read, please.
Newton said that a moving object will travel at a steady speed.
Thank you. Asim, read, please.
Objects stay at rest or in motion until outside motion interferes.
Thank you. Answer the question. Research time on page 59. Please. Nurgul.
While riding a bicycle, we have to rotate pedals constantly in order to have constant speed. While bicycle tends to stop if pedals are not rotated. My answer is the pedal rotates with the force of foot.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sit down, please. Today's topic, the universal law of gravity. Write, please. After this lesson, you will formulate the universal law of gravity and solve the questions by using formula.
Apple and one large apple, just like we used during our experiment on Earth. So let's drop them. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, as you can see, they appear to be floating. They don't appear to be falling to Earth. So does this mean there is no gravity force acting on them? Let's look again at what happened to the apples when we dropped them on Earth. As they fall, they are not moving relative to each other. They are falling at the same rate.
What is about this video? Mirike, read, please.
This is about my opinion, grand question, shooting, so work, speak, experiment, so like, ready, true, 2, 1, peer, gravity, late, has people, teacher, other, force, happening, them falling, read, appearance, low, object, track, get slow. is equal to square because gravity force.
Thank you very much. Sit down. Read, please, Nazirke.
I read 39 words, but I read half words. Question part 13 for this happen will to take just so ready 3, 2, 1. See pure interest. Let's nearest falling to take B gravitational read answer.
Thank you very much. Sit down, please. What is about the video, Nurgul?
The video calculated the distance between Earth and the Moon.
Okay, thank you very much. All right.